Nope, we don't have time for these fancy detailed action plans. We need self-care made easy. Stay tuned because we're gonna break it down. Hey guys, today we're gonna break down how to make time for self-care when you have a demanding schedule. Something I've been sucking at lately, but let's improve our lives together. Okay. Despite how far we've come in history, it's still documented that people are working way longer than they should.
Did you know that in the 1800s, the average work week was 100 freaking hours? Who cares if I'm dying inside, right? As long as you get your textiles.
Humans said, enough. We're not gonna take it. The work-life balance needs to be leveled now. My work life is on the non-traditional side, but maybe your situation is similar in other ways. I work your average 8 to 5 hours during the week, and my employers are very fair and considerate regarding the work-life balance.
But then I come home and help my husband with our freelance spokesperson work on Fiverr. And some days are more demanding than others.
Where's the mic? We're only shooting half up, so they don't see my pajama pants.
But on average, we could film from 5 to 15 videos a day.
If the glass or LCD is cracked, has a disoriented image, no image, or is malfunctioning.
Since 2013, we filmed over 13,700 orders. Yep, that's the real number, and no, I can hardly believe it either, but it's true. Every day, even on weekends, instead of relaxing on the couch and unwinding, I come home, have to look camera ready by doing my hair and makeup,
Scraggly.
and complete the list of scripts for the day per specifications.
My voice.
I need to just swallow.
Why pay the crazy? I'm gonna start that one again.
Every day, I have to be on, even when I'm not feeling it.
And we have one-day rush delivery options for a higher cost, so it's impossible to plan for a free day without going into vacation mode and falling off the map. So, where can we fit in self-care? Whether it's your work hours or not knowing how to unplug, we've got to make it happen. I mean, we take our devices with us everywhere we go. And if we're not working, we're probably getting stressed out over something else completely draining. How do we fit in that much needed rehabilitation time in a way that's easy and not so daunting? Let's get into it. First, set aside some time, even if it's just an hour or two, without your cell phone or computer. Even if you're using it for fun, odds are you'll stumble upon something that will stress you out.
For me, I'll always check the Fiverr app. I can't help it. I'll see a message from someone urgently needing a response, and I'll spend the next 20 minutes trying to help them instead of spending time unwinding. Use the time to read, watch your favorite show, spend time with family or friends, take a warm bath, meditate, or something relaxing. If you need to start with a smaller amount of time, try 15 minutes. You can definitely commit to that.
And then train yourself to try larger increments of time. For a lot of people, the cell phone is an addiction, and it's absolutely healthy to spend time away from it. Second, take advantage of self-care on the go. Make healthy food choices,
Drink lots of water, take vitamins, and run, bike, or power walk to places when you can.
It's a no-brainer that being healthy physically makes a huge impact on your mental state. So don't forget to do the groundwork for a strong nutritional foundation. Third, develop deep breathing, relaxation techniques to keep your stress level down during the day. My favorite is the 4-7-8 technique.
Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold it for 7, and release for 8. It's important to keep your blood pressure from rising, and you can do this anytime during the day. It also helps you to get to sleep.
Which leads to my next point. Number 4, try to get around 8 hours of sleep per night if you can. I know this isn't easy for everyone, especially me.
Oftentimes, my body won't let me sleep past about 5 hours. I've gotten into this nasty habit of taking really long naps when I have free time, since I'm usually so exhausted by the time I'm done with everything. This disrupts your sleep schedule and makes it harder to sleep soundly through the night.
I also get sucked into naps because of my sedentary lifestyle, which leads to my final point. 5, find ways to do some kind of physical activity.
The fitness and aerobic craze became super hip during the 1980s with at-home VHS tapes, like the oh-so-famous Jane Fonda's workout challenge. If you lived in the 80s, don't pretend you don't have one of these workout tapes or that you didn't do moves like these. What a great way to stay in shape! The good news is there are tons of workout videos on YouTube if you need some guidance. There are also great apps that walk you through short workout routines. 5-minute workouts, 20-minute workouts, whatever you need to make it work for your schedule.
I hate going to the gym, and without an accountability buddy, I'm not gonna follow through. I don't really come through with these apps either. But for some people, they work great. So if you're like me and you can't get off your sorry butt, I suggest doing something that doesn't seem like work. Find something that will get you exercising without realizing it. Play basketball, blast some music, and dance around all stupid.
Let's work up a sweat, ladies.
Bert! We just love catching a game after work to blow off some steam. Hey, Bob. See you at the walk-ons.
Yeah, whatever.
Personally, I really want a trampoline. I could spend forever bouncing and doing flips on a trampoline and never feel like I'm exercising because it's just so freaking fun. I really want one. So find that thing that seems fun to you instead of feeling like a chore. Okay, so those are 5 tips to help you start to integrate self-care into your schedule. Easy stuff, non-overwhelming stuff. If I can get down with that, so can you. If you have any other suggestions or if you just want to let me know your thoughts, comment below. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell for more, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Melissa Kristen TV. See you in the next video.